I'm sure you've heard the news. The holiday season is here, and so are the unbelievable discounts on Amazon. Whether you're hunting for the latest smartphone, a powerful new laptop, or the perfect holiday gift, Amazon's got you covered. Imagine grabbing top-rated mobiles, laptops, tablets, wearables, cameras, audio gear, appliances, TVs, and accessories at up to 75% off. But wait, there's more. Check out the stellar reviews from our happy customers. From blazing fast processors to stunning displays and long-lasting batteries, these deals are too good to miss. Need a new pair of headphones? We've got rave reviews on the latest audio and speaker systems that'll make your holiday parties rock. And let's talk appliances. Upgrade your kitchen or home setup with massive discounts on large appliances and smart devices. Your home will thank you. Don't let these deals slip through your fingers. The festive season is the perfect time to treat yourself or find the ultimate gift for your loved ones. But hurry, these discounts won't last long. Hit the link in the description and start shopping now. And hey, if you love saving big and staying updated on the best deals, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy shopping, tech enthusiasts! Let's make this holiday season unforgettable with Amazon's festive deals.